Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Trezor Model T wallet. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, navigate to Trezor. Start in your web browser to download and install the Trezor Suite application. Follow the on-screen prompts to initialize your Trezor, which includes setting up a new wallet and creating a strong PIN. Remember to keep your PIN secure. After setting your PIN, your Trezor will generate a 12-word recovery seed. This is extremely important. Carefully write down each word in the correct order on the provided recovery card. Store this card in a safe, private place, like a fireproof safe, and never take a photo or store it digitally. This seed is the only way to recover your funds if your Trezor is lost or damaged. To manage your cryptocurrencies, open Trezor Suite and connect your Trezor Model T. Unlock it with your PIN. To receive funds, select the desired cryptocurrency, click Receive and generate a new address. Always verify this address on your Trezor screen. To send, select the coin, click Send, enter the recipient's address and the amount, then confirm the transaction details on your Trezor device. For enhanced security, consider using a passphrase, which adds a 25th word to your recovery seed, creating a hidden wallet. Always double-check all transaction details, including the address and amount, directly on your Trezor's screen before confirming. Regularly update your Trezor's firmware through Trezor Suite to ensure you have the latest security features. Remember to disconnect your Trezor when you are finished using it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.